In this video, I'll show you how to build a sales funnel in LearnWorlds in just a few simple steps. Stick around, because I'll also give you some alternatives at the end that might actually help you better achieve your goals. So let's dive in. The first thing you need to do when building a sales funnel in LearnWorlds is set up your sales pages. LearnWorlds makes it fairly easy to create custom sales pages using our drag and drop editor. This tool lets you design pages that speak directly to your audience without needing any coding knowledge. You can choose from various templates or create one from scratch, which is great if you want full control over the design. Next thing, focus on creating your course offer page. This is where you'll really sell the value of your course or product. Here, LearnWorlds allows you to add pricing options, promotional discounts, and even create countdown timers to create a sense of urgency. The goal is to make the offer so compelling that visitors can't resist clicking the buy button. The third thing you'll need to do is set up your checkout process. LearnWorlds offers a seamless checkout experience, allowing you to customize your checkout page with upsell offers, payment options, and discount codes. You'll want to make sure the process is simple and straightforward, minimizing any friction that could cause someone to drop off before completing the purchase. Now, let's talk about integrating your funnel with email marketing. In LearnWorlds, you can connect your funnel to an email marketing platform like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. This lets you automate follow-up emails to nurture leads who didn't immediately purchase. You can also segment your audience, send personalized messages, and track engagement. The next thing you should know is about using LearnWorlds Analytics. After you launch your funnel, it's crucial to keep an eye on how it's performing. LearnWorlds provides you with detailed analytics on traffic, conversion rates, and customer behavior. By understanding these insights, you can tweak your funnel to improve performance. So, here's the catch. While LearnWorlds does a good job of helping you set up your funnel, it may not be the best tool for those looking for advanced features or the flexibility offered by other platforms. If you're looking for something with more customization options and integrations, you might want to consider alternatives. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, what's better than LearnWorlds? Well, I've got a couple of suggestions for you. Tools like Kajabi and ClickFunnels give you even more powerful funnel building tools, along with additional features like affiliate management, more advanced automation, and greater flexibility in design. These platforms are great if you want to create a high-converting sales funnel, but need more robust functionality and scalability. But if you want to give LearnWorlds a shot, the good news is that I've got an exclusive and extended free trial just for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to the best LearnWorlds trial available. But if you're still exploring alternatives, both Kajabi and ClickFunnels also offer free trials with their own unique features, so make sure you check those out. That's it for this video. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to get your hands on those free trials. You'll be on your way to building your own sales funnel in no time. Thanks for watching.